Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Since COVID-19 is going on and the lockdown is going on, while staying home, I thought that I would share with you guys this wonderful trick that I always use, and it's all about how to create and build your own hard drive. So you don't need to go outside and buy some fancy branded hard drive that is really expensive, I know. What you can do is take out your hard drive from the old computer that you do not use anymore. So in my case, my old laptop, which is broken and doesn't work, I removed my hard drive. For removing hard drive, all you need to do is just type in the model of your laptop on the Google and see how you can disassemble your laptop. All you need is a screwdriver and just remove a couple of screws and it just comes out. So this is my hard drive, 500 GB right here. Now I'm going to be connecting this hard drive with an adapter that goes into my computer. So it's like hard drive to USB kind of port. So what I did, I just bought this from Amazon. You can get this for a couple bucks. In my case, it was only $3, and I'm sure you can get this with such a cheap price. And it's also very convenient and portable, and you can use it for data management and stuff like that. So it comes with this tiny adapter that goes onto your hard drive. So I'm gonna be connecting this. Wait. Okay, so what you can do is you can put this connector right here. I hope you can see this. I don't have a cameraman with me. So yeah, it goes on top of your hard drive like this, and then it goes into the case right here. You can see there's a hole right here. So this port, it goes right here. It also has a blue light that tells you that the hard drive is running. So it goes fixed in your hard drive cover. And then you have this top cover that you can put over it. See? So you can see this took me less than 5 minutes. So to connect this to my computer, all I have to do is just take the cable, connect it right here, and connect the other end to my laptop. And it works, guys. I use it a lot, and you can also use it and order this thing from the Amazon. That's a lifesaver, trust me. So yeah, get me to 1,000 subscribers, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Allah Hafiz. By the way, this is the cable right here. Let me show you. This is the cable right here. It goes on top of the hard drive. Just like that. And then the other end goes to your laptop. Super easy, guys. Super easy. And then it works. It says Samsung. It's not made by Samsung, I know, but it says Samsung. It must be some replica. Alright, guys. Peace out. Take care.